Today, we're going to take a look at the Motic DS300 microscope. This device is from around 2004, according to what I could find online. It's a lightweight, education-focused camera that can magnify up to 100 times. There's a focus knob that feels pretty smooth to me, but I don't use microscopes too often, so I can't be the judge of that. There are two built-in lights for the top and bottom of the stage, so these provide a decent amount of lighting for examining the specimens that you have on the stage. The brightness can be adjusted for both of them as well. The stage itself can be removed. There's another stage that you can put in there. I'll show that one later. The lights are powered by 3 AA batteries that can be seen at the bottom of the microscope. The microscope comes with an optical lens and a DS300 digital camera. I think it's pretty cool that they're swappable, so it can still be used even if you don't have the required digital hardware or software. The DS300 communicates with Windows and Mac over a USB cable. Here's a quick look at that CD that contains all the drivers and software that I used with this microscope. Note that it only goes up to Windows XP, so I'm going to be virtualizing that operating system. I tried to install it on Windows 11, but it didn't work, and I didn't want to spend that much time troubleshooting it. It comes with a manual, which showcases how to install the drivers and operate the software included on the CD. This manual is also on the CD as a PDF. There's also an experiment guide that goes through various possible experiments that you can perform with this microscope. Alright, so I plugged the USB cable into my laptop, which has a Windows XP VM on it, through VirtualBox. I'm able to pass the USB from my laptop to my VM, so the microscope should work fine since I already installed the drivers from the CD onto the virtual machine. The application we are using with the microscope is called Motic Play. We're going to check out the capture section for now. We have a green light on the camera, so it looks like it's working. After flipping on the lights, we get a white image, so it's displaying correctly. The microscope comes with a decent amount of specimens as well, various plant, animal, insect, and other types. We won't be looking at all of these, but it's a pretty decent spread if you bought this for a kid on Christmas or for school or something like that. Now, with the Windows XP environment being virtualized, it likely slowed down with how often the display updates. According to a review that I read online from 2005, it sounds like it was instantaneous, but I had a few seconds of delay per frame in this example. Keep that in mind if you are going to try to get this working in a virtualized environment. So here we are right now, trying to get it focused on this shrimp antenna, and there it is. Here's a quick look at how you can manipulate pictures with this software. By capturing an image and selecting Measure, you can get some measurements. Editing images is also possible with this software. There's effects, text, drawing, mosaics, brushes, stickers, a whole bunch of stuff like that. You can also view images through the gallery, get assistance from the help section, and record and view videos. So let's check out some images I took. Here's a steel ball chain thing for like a necklace or whatever. Here's some blurry bamboo. I think this is part of the stem. Here is the chicken feather. Here's one of my hairs. We have some pencil lead, some rabbit hair, a really zoomed in part of a SDXC card, and some really blurry microfiber cloth. And here's a look at that exported edited image from earlier. Ultimately, it's pretty dated. You can tell by the software that this was made for kids in the mid-2000s, but it's still a pretty neat device if you're into digital microscopes, which, you know, I'm personally not super into them, but hey, now you know more about it, I guess. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.